What's going on, guys? Check out what just arrived in the mail today from Amazon. The Shield TV Pro from Nvidia. This thing looks pretty dope. Go over some of the specs: Dolby Vision, 4K, AI upscaling, two USB 3.0 ports, Plex media server, Android games, whatever. 3 gigs of RAM, 16 gigs of storage. This is the Pro, so I think it has a little bit higher RAM, and it has the here it is, the Tegra X1 processor, 256 core GPU, blah blah blah, dual band MIMO Wi-Fi, gigabit Ethernet, and a sick ass remote. So I'm stoked. Let's break into this and check out what we got. And I don't think I mentioned this, guys. Sorry, it does have a built-in Chromecast. So it got Google Assistant. It also works with Alexa, GeForce Now, Google Play, all that good stuff. So let's check out what is in this unboxing. Okay, so I did have to set the phone down, but this is what we got. Let's check it out. Move the box over there. We got the unit itself. Got a nice remote. Look at this. It's like a triangle. It's pretty cool. Got an IR blaster in it, I believe. Says Nvidia at the bottom. Has voice command, I believe. Yep, microphone at the top. Buttons actually feel really nice. Netflix dedicated. That seems pretty cool. And I guess it can stand like that. So that's pretty dope. Let's take a look at the unit itself. Wow, that's actually really small. That's pretty sick. Let's see. Here's a Razer Viper mouse for comparison. It's basically like two and a half mouses. That's sick. All right. A couple of vents, it looks like. Pretty simple, straightforward. And here's all the ports on the back. They got power, Ethernet, HDMI 2.0, but I believe too, and 2 USB 3s. Sweet. Let's see what else they included in the box, if anything. Take that top off. Okay, here we go. Power cable. Big break.
Here's a summary from the website en.wikipedia.
Google, shut. Hey, stop. Shut up, dude. I don't know why that thing goes off. Anyways, so we got that. I hope it comes with an HDMI. Why is this? Why would you put it in this way? If you have to grab whatever. Quick start guide and a support guide. Definitely doesn't feel like any HDMI cable. Yeah, okay, that box was glued to the bottom. Not supposed to pop out. No HDMI cable. So I'll get this set up, guys, and we'll check it out. All right, guys, this is my 2017 LG B7 OLED. This thing's awesome. It's never let me down. No dead pixels yet, hopefully. So we have finally swapped it over. Out with the old. This is a 4K Chromecast, but it had that really annoying power supply. It was the only way to get the Ethernet in, which is kind of dumb. So I'm glad this is so nice, so small, and let's plug her on in and see what happens. Ooh, look at the little green LED. That's tight. Okay, slowly booting up. So we got the remote here. Press button. Oh shit, that does control my TV. I didn't even do any programming yet. Oh, cool. English. Sign in to get, okay, cool. I'll be right back. Use your phone or computer. Wait, what? Okay, great success. Quick and easy. Go to a website, punch in the code, done. Terms of service, accept, location, whatever. Sure. Get better voice control TV. Yes, sir. A few things you should do. Okay. Personal results, sure. I'm fully on Android, so I'm kind of down with all of this. Not a big deal. Your Shield Android TV is powered by, let's walk through a couple of its features. Get apps from Google Play. Yep. Talk to the Google Assistant. Yep. Cast your TV. Yep. I'm just like pretty much going for a better version of the Chromecast Ultra. So if this can like upscale 1080p and all that good stuff, then wonderful. Your free trials, no, I don't need to do that. Cool, okay. Shield experience upgrade is available. Oh, yes. I love firmware updates. Hardwire connections are definitely the way to go. That is so fast. If you guys are finding this helpful or anything, much appreciated if you leave a like down below. If you haven't seen my review on the 2020 Razer Blade 15 base RTX 2060, just check it out. Pretty cool. Still a great laptop, using it all the time. I do mostly a lot of editing, Adobe Premiere Pro on that, and it kills it, no problem. All right, so the update just wrapped up. Dude, that LED, so dope. So Nvidia, you know. Sorry, that LED strip you're seeing right there. That's from the computers. Oh, and by the way, guys, this is $199 for the Pro, and I believe $149 or like $159 for the base. And the base model just comes with the Tegra 1, like base chip or something. Okay, that just wrapped up. Enable auto upgrade. When enabled, Shield TV automatically downloads upgrades to the... Yeah, sure, why not? Wrapping up the upgrade. Yeah, here we go. All right, finally. Shield accessories? What? Enable, yes. Oh, hell yeah, dude. Dolby HDR, of course. Screen will go blank for 15 seconds. Would you like to keep it? Yep. Shield accessories upgrade. Oh, that's probably for the remote. Oh, but I'm pretty sure the buttons, those are lit, backlit, which is pretty sick. One accessory updated successfully. Let's check out the settings. Sleep now, restart, AI upscaling. I do want to check that out. Enhanced, active, no, unsupported content. What is AI enhanced? Yeah, let's do that. Let's try that. Detail enhancement. We'll leave it at default. Oh, that's cool. You can even toggle a demo mode if you want. That's pretty sick. Okay. Back. Network and internet. Let's check that out. Ethernet. Nice. Scanning always available. Sure. Allow low power channels. Allow Wi-Fi connection on low power. Wi-Fi band. We'll leave it on auto. We're not even using Wi-Fi anyways, so. Device preferences. About display and sound resolution 4K at 59.9 hertz. Dolby Vision ready. Let's go back to AI upscaling. That's the same settings as before. Power control. Turn on TV. Turn off TV. Wake shield. Sleep shield. Cool. We can also set up to adjust volume. Set up IR control. Yes. So I'll do that after this. Advanced display, match content color space, automatically switches between, oh, for sure. Adjust for overscan. I don't think I need to adjust that. I can adjust it on the TV. Volume control, HDMI fixed volume, sure. When adjusting volume with voice, lower volume when listening, yep. System sounds, I'll leave that on. Advanced system sounds, audio output, auto. USB audio mode, high quality stereo, sure. Dolby audio processing, available formats. Leave it on auto. All right, cool. Let's go back, check out system. You can customize quick settings, Nvidia share, LED brightness, processor mode, max performance, duh. Fan mode, cool, because I'm all about that performance. USB mode, max performance. That's sick. Storage, let's see. Internal space, 12 gigs. That's about right, I figured. But I could probably just plug in like a T5 hard drive or something. Home screen, customize channels, audio previews, reorder apps, reorder games, keyboard, date and time. I think that's all automatic. Yep. So we got that. Security. Sure. Oh, there's Bluetooth? No way. That'd be pretty sick because then I have like a bunch of Bluetooth headsets. Remotes and accessories. Yep, there is Bluetooth. That's awesome. Apps. See all apps. Oh, maybe YouTube's, yeah, it's already built in. That's why. Killer. Okay, cool. All right, let's see what we got. I mean, let's just pop open YouTube real quick. Oh, this is nice because this is way faster than the Chrome. This is like way faster. This is double the speed, dude. Buttons, pause, play, obviously. Forward, that's the back button. I like that being there. This is your like quick settings, I guess. Let's go to settings. Let's go on over to volume control. I think that's what it was. Setup IR. Select the device that outputs sounds from Shield. TV. Select your TV brand. LG. Test code 1970. Oh shit! That is working. Did the TV volume change? Sorry, it's so blown out, guys. Yes, it did. Success. Great success. No way. So. Oh, it works faster than the actual TV remote. Whatever IR blaster's on this thing is beast. Yo, this is awesome. All right, so let's check out, how about the old Septic Eye? Great series, by the way, if you guys aren't watching this.
Titanium, diamond, and lead.
Let's see, let's turn that down. Oh, pause works nice.
Diamond.
Volume control, excellent. Oh, shit. Oh, I can't get this to drop, but it's hard to tell. It's doing some like crazy over sharpening on certain things. Like, yeah, it looks sharp, but that's interesting. Okay, so let's maybe tone it down on the AI upscaling. Let's just go back to enhanced. This is default. So default. Okay, let's try it again. Oh yeah, okay. That's way better. It's not doing like some crazy over sharpening. Okay, suggest leaving it on default. How about a 4K video? Let's see, Mass Effect Legendary from Digital Foundry. Oh, that looked good. That looked real good. Well, that's about all I got to show you guys for the Nvidia Shield. Check it out, guys, if you want. $200. It's on Amazon. If you don't like it, you can always return it. That's kind of my plan with it. If I don't enjoy it, but so far I'm liking it way more than the Chromecast 4K, so, or Chromecast Ultra, whatever you want to call it. But anyways, that's gonna be it, guys. Thank you. Leave a like on your way out. Subscribe if you're new around here for just more videos. A live stream every night, and yeah, have a good one. Peace.